The Speaker, Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku don yarn say im go do wetin dey in power to help increase doctor salaries for the state. The Speaker yarned us one when he received the new management team of Edo Specialist Hospital for im office on Wednesday, February 26, 2025. For the visit, Dr. Njoku, the head of the team, contrary salute to the Speaker for the audience and come chook mouth on top the need for better infrastructure and more equipment. She come also raise concerns on top the shortage of staff, say people dey comot go look for better jobs and opportunities for other places. Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku for im part compromise say Edo State Specialist Hospital go get special attention, say im go try help solve the staff shortage by proposing make doctor salary increase and im go prioritize buying more equipment. He come also talk say im office dey open for more consultations and collabo.
I'm honored to lead the management team of our dear hospital on this courtesy call to the Edo State House of Assembly. And this is because we recognize the critical role in shaping the state's policies and laws, particularly in the health sector. And as the Chief Medical Director of the Edo Specialist Hospital, I want to express our appreciation for the support and collaboration we have received from the state government in our quest to provide quality healthcare services to the people of Edo State. Permit me to say at this point that our governor, talk less governor, but do more action governor, has provided for us an enabling environment. He has provided air conditioning systems, transformers, because if you look at the Edo Specialist Hospital, which is just close to you here, you realize that the hospital is built as a closed system where you necessarily have to depend on electricity and air conditioning system. So when the governor came on board and realized that is needed, he immediately ordered the procurement of this. And as I speak to you, a lot has been delivered and we are expecting many more. Also, when we talked about critical care, is revamping our intensive care unit, and even many more other things that we are enjoying from the state government. But we know that the critical role the House of Assembly plays, and that is why we thought it wise that it is also necessary to come and pay a courtesy call to the House of Assembly. Just to note that our hospital, which is the flagship hospital, specialist hospital in the state, has been at the forefront of providing specialized medical care, and we are still committed to continue this tradition of excellence. However, we acknowledge that there are challenges to be addressed, particularly in the areas of infrastructure, equipment, and personnel development, which is already being addressed. We believe that a strong partnership between our hospital and the House will be instrumental in addressing these challenges. We are very eager to work with you to identify areas of need and develop strategies to improve healthcare delivery in Edo State. Now, some potential areas of collaboration is what we have talked about. We looked at infrastructure, upgrading our hospital facilities. The biggest room in the world is the room for improvement, the room for change. And so we believe that even though yet we are there, but we are not yet where we want to be. We really want to be very world-class. We want to reverse medical tourism in the state. And so we need an upgrade of our infrastructure. And that will also mean that we will need to procure equipment, very modern medical equipment, things like MRI. We have a CT scan, but nothing stops us from having an MRI. The goal is to transform the specialist hospital into a tertiary care, so that we have a state-owned tertiary care that is world-class. We also look at personnel development, where we think about providing training and capacity building. As I speak to you, sir, because of the JAPA syndrome, we have a lot of manpower gap in personnel, especially to do with the doctors and the nurses. Every day, I get letters of resignation because people are moving on to greener pastures, and it's so difficult to get, personnel. So there is a big dire need to fill up this gap because the people of Edo State deserve the best. We are confident that together we can make a significant impact on the healthcare landscape in Edo State. And we also want to say that one of the things we look forward to is that as members of the House, as good people of Edo State, we will take our health more seriously by providing annual checks. We will come back when we're ready, because we're trying to develop a premium services, a fast-track services where very busy executives can come in, have their health checks, and have their health needs attended to. And with all of this, we hope that our healthcare will be better for it. At this point, I want to say thank you for your attention as we look forward to a fruitful partnership with our dear House of Assembly, Edo State House of Assembly. Thank you for your attention.
Health is wealth. If you're not healthy, you cannot go for other hustling. You must be healthy to go out to work. You must be healthy to go out for other activities. So when I got the letter, I said, well, I will attend to this body. I've heard all you said today. I think as a house, we want to also collaborate with you to make sure we are all healthy. The Edo Specialist Hospital is the body we are going to attend to as a house, because it's talking about health. I think you people should have your budget as a body. You should have your budgets under the Ministry of Health. Those state specialist hospitals is supposed to have their budgets. And today you are here, I want to assure you that whatever budget you bring here, it will not be subject to scrutiny. Oh. Yes, you've listed all what you needed to make sure that hospital functions well. And I want to assure you that my members are here. We are going to oblige any budget you bring here to us that will make that hospital function well. We will oblige the budget. And again, we're talking about doctors. We have let me use my local government as a case study. We have a very big general hospital in Sabongida, very big, and it's not functional because we don't have doctors, no staff. So if you're talking about Jackman syndrome, if you put the doctors on a good remuneration, they will stay.
Sure.
They will stay. So that's why we have to treat doctors specially. I think I will discuss that with the governor. Doctors must be treated specially. If you want them to stay here, you must provide for them, let them know that they'll be taken care of very well. Even more than where they are going to. Yeah. If you put on the table to say, this is what you get, you have withdrawal allowance, you have so allowance, you have this one allowance, you have this allowance, and by the time they calculate it and compare it to what they will get there, they'll stay. They'll stay. Doctors are not taken care of properly in this country. So if they have better offer, they will go together, they will get better offer. So I think you as a body too, those states they are, let me call them a body, should also put a proposal to the Ministry of Health to say they should look at doctors' income and other welfare that will make them stay in the country. Not even only in Edo State. It should be holistically in the country. If you pay them well, if you give them good incentives, they will stay. And our hospitals in our government, they will have doctors. So let me welcome you again to my office, and I want to assure you that if you want to operate well, you need finance to operate well. Health sector is not a sector you can ignore. If you ignore health sector, that means you are creating problem for yourself. So I want to assure you today that as a body, the Edo State Specialist Hospital, we are here to protect that, let me call it, institution. As a house, we are here to give that hospital preference. We can, I'm an economist, and we will take you as our opportunity cost. Opportunity cost, all of that will be forgotten alternative. Health is wealth. So be rest assured that we are here to protect Edo Specialist Hospital.
The meeting ended with the management team giving gifts to the speaker. For another story, the Federal Commissioner of the Public Complaints Commission (PCC) for Edo State, Honorable Augustine Igbavu, also carried waka enter the office of the speaker for one courtesy visit. Then praised the speaker for his humility and dedication, and come also chook mouth on top their concerns and the need for timely payment of retired civil servants' pension. The speaker thanked the PCC team for the visit and come here and say need dey for people to sabi more about the PCC work. He come assure the PCC team say Edo State House of Assembly go support them to promote their activities.
The purpose of this courtesy call is to express our thanks and appreciation for your cooperation and to find ways in improving on our already established relationship. I want to use this opportunity to apprise you with the Commission's activities. The Public Complaints Commission is a very powerful organ of government whose sole aim is to make sure that administrative injustice is totally eradicated from our society. PCC for short is empowered by Decree 31 of 1975, now Cap P37 LFN 2004, to investigate any complaint lodged before it by members of the public and to take any useful evidence from anyone who in the Commission's view can provide relevant information. By this, Public Complaints Commissioner can visit and inspect any premises belonging to any person or institutions. The Commission does not, however, charge any fee for its services because it offers humanitarian services to the public. What I'm saying, essence, Mr. Speaker, is that by the time complaints are lodged, no fees are charged. You lodge it, from there we take up the case, in that case is resolved. The Commission entertains complaints such as delay in payment of retiring benefits, gratuity pension, payment of death gratuity to the family of a deceased person, payment of workmen's compensations, wrongful dismissals, difficulty in getting insurance companies to pay claims, failure to get refund of amount overpaid to tax authorities, no release of WAEC, NECO, NAPTE result, to mention but a few. From the section of Public Complaints Commission in Nigeria, by Decree 31 of 1935, now Cap P37 2004, the Ombudsman has been seen and filled the role of the citizen's defender, the complaints man, the common man's lawyer, guardian, the watchdog of the administration, to mention but a few. Public Complaints Commission has been able to, over the years, Mr. Speaker, sincerely live up to expectation in spite of various constraints it faces. In year 2024, the Commission received 309 complaints and successfully resolved 247, while 62 are pending. With more financial support, the Commission will do better in offering humanitarian services to the downtrodden and thereby enthroned eventually an egalitarian society. It is pertinent to say here, Mr. Speaker, that if any person who, in respect of any complaint lodged by him, knowingly makes any statement, whether or not in writing, which is false, in any material particular, shall be guilty of an offense and shall on conviction be sentenced to imprisonment for 1 year without the option of a fine. Our activities as the watchdog of civil justice have attracted international recognition. To this end, Chief Justice Edopa of blessed memory was at the time appointed a member of board of directors, International Institute of Ombudsman, and also the African Regional president of Traditional Gospel Institute. With God on our side, we hope to improve on the services to humanity in order to wipe tears from the eyes of the oppressed. The Commission investigation can serve to exonerate and vindicate the respondent from unjustified accusations. The Commission, by its mandate, is expected to advise the government on the development of fair administrative policies and practices, through recommending that an offending and inconceived regulation or ruling be altered in the interest of justice, equity, and fair play. Mr. Speaker, the Commission is seeking for your urgent attention for the formal exclusion or exemption of your officers on consolidated salary structure from Edo State Contributory Pension Scheme. The deductions and remittances of such deputy clerks to the Premium Pension Limited were stopped as far back as 2018, following the approval to exclude or exempt some of permanent secretaries in the service from the contributory pension scheme by the immediate past governor of Edo State. The Commission is praying for your intervention, Mr. Speaker, that His Excellency direct the Edo Pension Bureau to process the pension benefits of retiring consolidated officers of the Assembly in line with the SY pension order. The Commission appreciates immensely, your Speaker, your efforts in this regard, as one of your retirees is yet to be favored with his monthly pension, having retired since September 2024. Mr. Speaker, you will agree with me that in checking the conduct of the day-to-day operations of the country, so many things have gone wrong, as some employers of labor have resorted to perpetuating social injustice against their employees, either by denying them of their wages or having their appointments either terminated or outright dismissal. To us at the Commission, this is inhuman, and attempts must be made to checkmate the conduct. Legislative can also, in this regard, rise to the occasion by having such employers brought to book. The Chamber is responsible for making laws to guide the government on how to rule and check the conduct of day-to-day operations in the country. Public Affairs Commission is a supervisory agency attached to the legislator. Hence today, Mr. Speaker, the National Assembly appoints the chief commissioners and other commissioners. We therefore want to partner with you, sir, in offering humanitarian services to the downtrodden and thereby ensure eventually an egalitarian society. We will continue to appreciate your cooperation in this regard.
Many people don't know about this Public Complaint Commission. That is a very effective body that can give you succor, that can resolve issues for the people. Created by the federal government inside the Constitution. It's a body created by the Constitution. So many people don't even know about this body. I know of this body very well because my in-law, Etopai, the daughter who is my uncle's wife, worked in Public Complaint Commission. So I think I know more about the Public Complaint Commission. It's a body that you can go to, and if you have problem, or if you are being shortchanged, or you are being unduly maltreated, we can resolve issues for you. But today I want to let you know that so many Nigerians don't even know the function of this body. So many Nigerians don't even know that such body exists. So I want to appeal to you to go by way of publicity. But publicity is very, very, very important to let people know that this body can make you have relief. Just as the person that came to complain here about somebody, that we said, don't worry, look at it, and under 2 weeks it was resolved. So I want to appeal to you that publication is very, very important, and you are to take charge of that publication. We know it is capital intensive. Let's just see how you can make it known to Edo people. I want you to be a pace setter. I want you to show example to other states because I want to let you know that 50% of the people of Edo State doesn't know that this body exists, and also other states. So you can be a peacesetter, letting the people know. ITV with $500,000, ITV will blow it for like but we can also assist as a house to join you to publicize this. I also putting our token to you to say, take the publicity. So our people in Edo will know that this body exists. So we are here to work with you. We are here to collaborate with you, to let the people know that they can reduce our burden here by coming here all the time. Yeah. They should also go to public complaint commission that will also give them succor, so that we can also do so that the work will be less for us here.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, and so we dey talk am, we know to take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.